Here is a beginner-level general manager quiz that covers decision-making, sales and business development, and customer focus. Let's go. Question 1. What is the first step in effective decision-making? A. Jumping to a conclusion. B. Identifying the problem or opportunity. C. Avoiding responsibility. And D. Delegating the decision immediately. Answer: identifying the problem or opportunity. Question 2. Which of the following supports data-driven decision-making? A. Intuition without information. B. Personal opinions only. C. Business analytics and performance metrics. And D. Avoiding analysis to save time. Answer: business analytics and performance metrics. Question 3. What should a manager evaluate when making a major decision? A. Long-term impact and risks involved. B. Only the opinions of senior leadership. C. Social media comments. And D. Past employee complaints. Answer: long-term impact and risks involved. Question 4. Which tool helps in comparing alternatives for decision-making? A. Gut feeling. B. Decision matrix. C. Annual calendar. And D. Team photo board. Answer: decision matrix. Question 5. What is the benefit of involving a team in decision-making? A. Increases confusion. B. Slows down execution permanently. C. Reduces efficiency. And D. Encourages diverse perspectives and better solutions. Answer: encourages diverse perspectives and better solutions. Question 6. What is the ultimate goal of a sales strategy? A. Boost employee morale. B. Generate revenue and drive growth. C. Increase internal meetings. And D. Avoid market competition. Answer: generate revenue and drive growth. Question 7. Which of the following contributes to successful business development? A. Expanding networks and strategic partnerships. B. Ignoring competitors. C. Reducing marketing efforts. And D. Decreasing customer touchpoints. Answer: expanding networks and strategic partnerships. Question 8. Which key metric is used to measure sales performance? A. Office attendance. B. Number of employee leave requests. C. Revenue generated. And D. Size of the HR team. Answer: revenue generated. Question 9. How can a general manager support the sales team? A. Avoid setting sales targets. B. Provide training, tools, and clear objectives. C. Micromanage every sales call. And D. Discourage sales incentives. Answer: provide training, tools, and clear objectives. Question 10. Which of the following best defines a lead in sales? A. A potential customer who shows interest. B. A completed transaction. C. An internal staff member. And D. A discount coupon. Answer: a potential customer who shows interest. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is an effective business development technique? A. Cold calling only. B. Attending industry events and building relationships. C. Ignoring follow-ups. And D. Relying only on social media ads. Answer: attending industry events and building relationships. Question 12. Why is customer focus important for a business? A. To improve internal HR policies. B. To reduce workload. C. To create long-term loyalty and satisfaction. And D. To avoid dealing with complaints. Answer: to create long-term loyalty and satisfaction. Question 13. What is a common way to gather customer feedback? A. Employee annual reviews. B. Finance department memos. C. Internal company polls. And D. Customer satisfaction surveys. Answer: customer satisfaction surveys. Question 14. Which of these is the best way to build strong customer relationships? A. Ignore concerns and focus on sales. B. Provide consistent personalized service. C. Offer generic solutions. And D. Reduce service hours. Answer: provide consistent personalized service. Question 15. A CRM, customer relationship management tool, helps businesses. A. Track and manage customer interactions. B. Monitor employee attendance. C. Increase taxes. And D. Prepare legal contracts. Answer: track and manage customer interactions. Question 16. What role does after-sales service play in customer focus? A. It's not necessary. B. It should be outsourced always. C. It increases customer satisfaction and retention. And D. It only applies to premium clients. Answer: it increases customer satisfaction and retention. Question 17. What is a customer-centric culture? A. Business decisions based on profit alone. B. Reducing communication channels. C. Only customer care staff handling customers. And D. A culture where customer needs are prioritized in every department. Answer: a culture where customer needs are prioritized in every department. Question 18. Which approach helps in dealing with an angry customer? A. Interrupt frequently. B. Listen actively and resolve the issue calmly. C. Transfer the call repeatedly. And D. End the conversation quickly. Answer: listen actively and resolve the issue calmly. Question 19. How can digital tools help improve customer focus? A. By automating customer support systems and gathering insights. B. By reducing customer interaction. C. By ignoring feedback. And D. By increasing the number of complaints. Answer: by automating customer support systems and gathering insights. Question 20. Which factor influences customer loyalty the most? A. Price wars. B. Brand color scheme. C. Exceptional service and trust. And D. TV advertising budget. Answer: exceptional service and trust. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.